Welcome students, myself Professor Vikrant Palatshah. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatshah's Education Hub. In this video, we are going to study about the MCQ questions of the Financial Accounting 1. On the Unit 1, Accounting Concepts, Conventions and Principles and Overview of Emerging Trends in Accounting. Question number 1. The accounting principle is to record accounting transactions. And here are the four options. Number A, guide or rule. Number B, statements. Number C, processes. And number D, procedures. The correct answer is option number A, guide or rule. Question number 2. Accounting principles are classified in groups. Option number A, 1. Option number B, 2. Option number C, 3. And option number D, 4. From these four options, the correct one is option number B, 2. Question number 3. Business enterprise is a separate entity from its owner. Which concept means this? Here are the four options. Option number A, going concern concept. Option number B, matching concept. Option number C, business entity concept. And option number D, consistency concept. The correct answer is option number C, business entity concept. Business entity concept explains that the business enterprise is a separate entity from its owners. Question number 4. States that only those transactions should be recorded in books of accounts which can be measured in terms of money. And the four options are number A, accrual concept. Number B, matching concept. Number C, going concern concept. And number D, money measurement concept. The correct answer is option number D, money measurement concept. Money measurement concept states that the transaction, those are in the monetary terms, only those transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. Therefore, the correct option is option number D, money measurement concept. Question number 5. Books are closed at the end of accounting year according to which concept? Option number A, periodicity concept. Option number B, accrual concept. Option number C, business entity concept. And option number D, it is matching concept. And from these four, the accurate and correct option is option number A, periodicity concept. According to the periodicity concept, at the end of every financial year, books of accounts are closed. Therefore, the correct option is option number A, periodicity concept. Question number 6. The relates to measurement of income, identifying assets and liabilities. And the four options are option number A, periodicity concept. Option number B, accrual concept. Option number C, business entity concept. And option number D, matching concept. The correct option, it is answer option number B, accrual concept. Okay, so according to the accrual concept, the income identified, assets and liabilities are measured. So therefore the correct answer is option number B, accrual concept. Question number 7. The requires that the revenue and the cost incurred to get that revenue should be properly matched. Option number A, periodicity concept. Option number B, accrual concept. Option number C, business entity concept. And option number D, matching concept. The correct answer is option number D, matching concept. Next, question number 8. States that the enterprise has no intention to close the business in foreseeable future. Option number A, accrual concept. Option number B, matching concept. option number C, going concern concept, and option number D, money measurement concept. From these four, the correct answer is option number C, it is going concern concept. Going concern concept states that the business will continue for long time of period and there is no intention to close down the business in nearby future or foreseeable future. So therefore the correct answer it is option number C, going concern concept. The next question number 9. Rules of revenue recognition determine that earning process should be either complete or near completion under option number A, matching concept, option number B, realization concept, option number C, dual concept, and option number D, it is cost concept. So the correct answer it is option number B, realization concept. Next, question number 10. Every accounting transaction has twofold effects according to option number A, matching concept, option number B, realization concept, option number C, dual concept, and option number D, cost concept. And the correct answer is option number C, dual concept. Dual concept effect has two effects of every accounting transaction. One is to the debit side and another one is to the credit side. Therefore the correct option it is option number C, dual concept. The next question number 11. Dash dash means all accounting must be based on objective evidence. Option number A, matching concept, option number B, realization concept, option number C, dual concept, option number D, objectivity concept. And the correct answer it is option number D, objectivity concept. Next one, question number 12. Making the provision for doubtful debts and discount on debtors is the example of option number A, convention of conservatism, option number B, convention of consistency, option number C, convention of materiality, option number D, convention of disclosure. So the correct answer it is option number A, convention of conservatism. Next one, question number 13. Dash dash is assumed that accounting policies are followed consistency from one period to another. Option number A, convention of conservatism, option number B, convention of consistency, option number C, convention of materiality, option number D, convention of disclosure. So the correct answer is option number B, convention of consistency. Next, question number 14. Dash dash states that items, transactions or an event which significantly affect users' understanding of accounts should be separately stated. Option number A, convention of conservatism, option number B, convention of consistency, option number C, convention of materiality, option number D, convention of disclosure. The correct answer it is option number C, convention of materiality. Next one, question number 15. Dash dash is the practice of adjusting financial statements according to price indexes. Option number A, inflation accounting, option number B, creative accounting, option number C, environmental accounting, and option number D, forensic accounting. The correct answer is option number A, inflation accounting. Next one, question number 16. Dash dash capitalizes on loopholes in the accounting standards to falsely portray a better image of the company. Option number A, inflation accounting, option number B, creative accounting, option number C, environmental accounting, option number D, forensic accounting. The correct answer is option number B, creative accounting. Next one, question number 17. Dash dash principles and practices are mainly used by organizations to more accurately trace environmental costs back to specific activities. Option number A, inflation accounting. Option number B, creative accounting. Option number C, environmental accounting. Option number D, forensic accounting. And the correct answer it is option number C, environmental accounting. Next one, question number 18. Dash dash investigates fraud or embezzlement and analysis of financial information used in legal proceedings. Option number A, inflation accounting. Option number B, creative accounting. Option number C, environmental accounting. Option number D, forensic accounting. From these four, the correct answer is option number D, it is forensic accounting. And the last question, question number 19. Dash dash is a process of identifying and measuring data about human resources and communicating this information to interested parties. Option number A, human resource accounting. Option number B, creative accounting. Option number C, environmental accounting. Option number D, forensic accounting. And the correct option is option number A, human resource accounting. So in this way we have discussed the MCQ of Financial Accounting 1 Unit 1. For such more video, I request all of you kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatshah's Education Hub, and also click on the notification icon to get timely notifications about the new video uploaded. Thank you all of you.